Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the program so files can be changed. Open Task Manager, end any related processes, and then open its installation folder in Program Files or App Data. Once done, look for an uninstall. EXE or Setup remover inside that folder and try running it as administrator. Make sure to copy the folder somewhere else as a quick backup before deleting. This prevents locked files and preserves data. It also shows you the exact install path for the next registry and service cleanup steps. Next, you remove leftover system entries that hide the program from Control Panel. Open Registry Editor and search under HKLM and HKCU software, /Microsoft /Windows, /current version, /uninstall for the program display name. Run any uninstall string you find or remove orphan keys if the uninstaller is gone. Then check services and use scstop and scdelete for any service names linked to the app. Make sure to export registry keys before removing them. This gives you a restore point if something goes wrong. Finish by deleting the installation folder, clearing %temp%, and rebuilding the icon cache, then reboot to apply changes. You should also remove startup entries and any scheduled tasks tied to the program using Task Manager or auto runs so it cannot relaunch. Once done, confirm no services, files, or registry keys remain. If something won't delete, boot into safe mode or take ownership and grant yourself full control to delete the file. This troubleshooting step resolves locked file and permission issues without risking system stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.